In this video, we'll delve into the 5-band parametric EQ settings and DSP presets. Let's select the EQ Settings tab. RTI features a comprehensive set of DSP controls, including a 5-band parametric equalizer. The EQ provides the ability to precisely shape your audio by adjusting 5 separate frequency bands, each with key controls. Under the Assign DSP presets, we can select any of 9 configurable presets from the drop-down for each zone. We'll return to this section once the presets are configured. In the DSP preset editor, presets can be imported from a third-party speaker company. Select Import and navigate to the file location. Once the file is located, select Open to import the settings. Preset configurations can also be exported for future use. Select the Export button and a file will be exported to your file directory for future use. This file can be imported in Tweak or used as is. In the Copy DSP Preset section, presets can be copied from one preset to another. Let's select a preset in the Copy From field, then select a preset in the Copy To field. Select Copy to copy the settings. To configure presets, select the preset in the Edit DSP Presets section. In the Edit column, give the preset a name. I'll call this preset Sub Low Freak to use in a 2.1 zone for a subwoofer. Reset will reset all your presets, so ensure caution with this feature. You can also import an EQ file or export the existing preset to a file. The Output Frequency section displays the frequency response curve for each preset. This illustrates how audio frequencies from left to right, 10 Hz to 20 kHz, are affected in decibels, as shown in the vertical axis. Under the parametric EQ settings, the EQ can be configured. The system processes bands enabled by using the toggle. Note that disabled bands remain flat. Once a band has been toggled on, select the frequency field and enter a value. The frequency is the center point of the frequency band and tells the EQ which part of the sound to process, such as bass, mids, or treble. We won't dive deep into the EQ settings, but a range between 20 to 80 Hz supports deep bass. The Q ratio, commonly known as quality factor, describes how wide or narrow an EQ adjustment is around the selected frequency. We'll enter a low value of 0.5. The gain controls how much louder or quieter a selected frequency range becomes. Let's set this to a lower setting of 0.1 for now. Continue setting each band required before moving down to the tone controls. Tone controls are useful because they provide a quick, targeted control over how the system sounds. Besides fixing issues, these settings can prevent damage or distortion. Low shelf boosts or cuts all frequency below a selected point. This may add or reduce bass. Let's activate the low shelf setting using the toggle and set the frequency to 25 Hz. For our gain, we'll set that to plus 4 dB. High shelf boosts or cuts all frequency above a selected point. This can be used to reduce a hissing sound in higher frequencies. We won't activate the high shelf setting. A low-pass filter, or LPF, allows only low frequencies to pass and cuts everything above a set point. Let's set the frequency to 25 Hz and set the gain to 4 dB, which is ideal for a subwoofer. The high-pass filter allows only high frequencies to pass, cutting everything below a certain frequency. This is typically used to block deep bass from smaller speakers or mics. For this preset, we won't be using a high-pass filter. Now that our preset has been configured, we can assign it to a subwoofer in a 2.1 system. We'll review that process in a later lesson. Thanks for watching.